Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to cook pancakes together. Delicious, golden, perfect pancakes. But first, let's learn some interesting facts about the Pancake Day and its traditions in the UK. Well, what is Shrove Tuesday and why do we call it Pancake Day? We celebrate Shrove Tuesday as it's the last day before Lent begins. Lent is the Christian period leading up to Easter, where people often fast or give up something. Therefore, Shrove Tuesday was the last opportunity to use up eggs and fats before embarking on a Lenten fast, as these ingredients will be out of date by the end of the fast. Pancakes were the perfect way to use up these ingredients, and that's why Shrove Tuesday is also known as Pancake Day. So, how do we celebrate Shrove Tuesday in the UK? In the past, pancakes were cooked over a fire which families and friends will gather around, eager to enjoy the food. Traditionally, the eldest unmarried daughter of the family will toast the first pancake. In Scotland, pancakes are much smaller and thicker than traditional pancakes often made in England. In some parts of Scotland, they are called drop scones. There is also another type called cream puffs. They are thick and cooked on a special pan. In England, people traditionally make thinner pancakes, like crepes. They will traditionally be topped with lemon and sugar, but now people use maple syrup and chocolate spread. Some people also like savory pancakes with cheese. People celebrate this day in different ways across the UK, but one thing is the same: everyone enjoys the pancakes. And now it's our turn, so let's get cooking. We need some flour, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, some milk, a little water, butter, and your favorite toppings. My favorite is sweetened condensed milk. Sift the flour into a bowl and add a pinch of salt. Make well and add the eggs. Pour into the milk and water, then whisk until smooth. Melt the butter into a pan. Add some butter to the mixture and mix well. Pour the butter into the pan and cook. Flip the pancake when it's golden brown. By the way, did you know about pancake races? Across the UK, pancake races are a major part of the celebrations. People around often dress in a costume or fancy dress, while each tossing a cooked pancake in a frying pan at the same time. The first person to cross the finishing line is the winner. That looks amazing. Now you can put whatever you like on it. What's your favorite toppings? Let us know in the comments below.